Well, I did a tour of the Fostoria, Ohio Model Railroad Club.
And for anybody who's watching, this is the old gauge downstairs. We run, and upstairs is going to be the HO scale. I like the lift gate though.
So do I.
And this is the street runner. This is the HO scale layout.
This is called Yellowstone. I took over your camera for a second. I couldn't resist. I took over the camera.
I'll squeeze by here real quick.
The bridges I 3D printed on my machine. Some of them were done on the Neptune 3. I think it was a Neptune 3 Pro. Or no, it was just Neptune 3. And then later on I did it on my Creality Endler 3 V3 or K3, I think it is. These were from N scale, but I blew them up to HO scale, and it came out really good. Except for these are bought. And then the bottom piece there, that's all 3D printed for the structure for the bridge. We started this layout back in 2018, but back in 2007, we started out in a group, and then kind of fell apart, and then we all went off into making our own group. So 2013, this is the old layout from when we first started out. It was this big yard, changes up a little bit, and then over here is Charlie's yard, over here is Willard's yard. So Charlie's yard is right here, and this is another section off the old layout. On the other side of the wall, which is the divider, that is Josh's yard. I'm going to give this back to my daughter here in a second. I just took over a camera. It's a habit, you know. So yeah, the layout is 45 long, which is from one side of the wall to the other side of the garage. And then side to side is about 22 feet wide. So, got the green elevator here. She's a little bit shy, she's new. But she's going to have a lot of fun trying to do this. I need to get her some better equipment later so she can really have fun doing this. So if you want to check out our channels, mine is N/HL Scale Division. And you want to see the club layout? It is called Fostoria, Ohio Model Railroad Club. You can even Google it, and you can find our Facebook page and our YouTube page. So, and we got some oldies, Barney cars, and I got my steam engine over here. Hers is over there with the passenger cars. I got my Barney set. And then some of this stuff is the clubs as well. I love that car right there. Best money I ever spent for the set that guy had. Came with the caboose. This car, these are 3D printed. Came with this one. Came with this car. This car as well. And the Varney, I think that's a Varney. Or is that a Pullman? No, I think that's a Pullman passenger car. Yeah, Pullman passenger car that you can put together yourself as a kit. I got another one in the house I gotta do. I think that one, I forget what that one is. But yeah, you can see over here. And then we have a high line. You can go up over some more 3D print bridges that I did up. Right over there. Fun factor is when we see the red house, or the red roof house, that's actually ours. Of course.
Just walk over there.
With her phone. You better see. And some 3D printed oil rigs. It was meant for a cement factory, but we converted it into oil. And that looks pretty good. Like oil, diesel, stuff like that for train cars or the semi trucks and stuff. We just gotta do some touches up it. It's brand new. So yeah, there's our house. My beautiful Suburban square body. Hee. And then over here is the house and our garage that we're in. And there's the Suburban, Bart's truck. And then the layout goes all the way around. And then down below, we actually have a double decker. So, too fast, sorry. So you can see down here, it goes down here. Actually loops around, and then you can go right back up. And then come right back up here. So one track down, turn around, come back up. Pretty cool, huh? There's the High Line. And over here. She's a little bit shy. She doesn't really talk as much. So that's why I took over the camera. And they got the map of our layout. Using a selfie stick. Comes in handy actually. Ooh, I heard a train coming too.
No, that's just the DCC sound coming out of the layout.
What movie is that from? CSX. And this is on your side. Another picture of the map. And then that goes over here to Harold's Yard, going straight. And then over here we have our dispatcher panel. And then we have our other dispatcher panel. Controls the diamond lights. So nobody can run through the diamond. Or else you'll have a wreck.
Sorry guys, I was too shy to show you Addison Station. So this is Addison Station. That's my steam engine right there. With my passenger cars.
Now, Addison, make sure you say the A and B set.
Yeah, A and B set. With interior inside of it.
That are made by River Rossi. The steam engine is made by Broadway. And a lot of their diesels are made by Bachmann, Atherin,
Sorry, guys. I went a bit too fast. Sorry.
And Atlas, and a few other companies we got too. Oh yeah, Intermountain is one.
Yeah.
Skill Trains is next though. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Sorry. I'm taking over your video again, ain't I?
No, it's fine.
Go ahead.
Want to blow their minds?
Yes.
Oh.
How core.
Okay.
I can't say it right. How awesome is this?
Look at the detail inside this. Okay, that was not planned. This is a Walters roundhouse and turntable.
I had to do that.
You got it?
Yep.
You want to do the other one?
Yep.
All right, let's do that.
Sorry, guys. The camera is shaky. You can tell someone's a big chassis system fan.
Gotta have chassis system.
Even oh my.
Yeah, it's fully loaded. I think I need 2 more decoders for these, and these will be all set.
How awesome is that?
Look at the detail inside that. Oh my goodness.
Look at all the cool engines. Okay.
That's awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the outro of the Fostoria, Ohio Model Railroad Club. Best, go check them out. They're the best creators on YouTube. You want to exit it out, or you want to? All right, I'll see you guys later. No. Well, the thing is, oh, baby, but sometimes if we put the screen door on, you keep it sitting there, it's just gonna go
Man, I'm too hungry. Well, I got some of that lunch meat left over. I bought 2. All thing I did was bought 2 12-packs, 2 things of lunch meat, my barbecue sauce I like so much, and oh yeah, and pudding.
Okay.
With them cutting butterscotch. Heard it. I gotta make more of those.
Yeah.
For myself now. Now I need some of these lumps on the other side of that too. I mean, hot glue ones or